Hi guys, I'm Kathleen Dsouza. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a celebrity impression of Alia Bhatt from the movie Raazi. Well, when I saw the look, I fell in love with it because it was so simple yet so classy, and I just could not resist myself. So I had to do first impression. So I had to do like a celebrity impression of her. This is a very sweet and easy, lightweight look that she has going. She does not have a lot going on with her face, so I've tried doing the same and incorporating the same to achieve this look. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
Hi, barefaced me. First, I'll be using the tea tree toner from Body Shop, and post that I'll be using my moisturizer, the white seed moisturizer from the Face Shop. Apply that evenly all over my face, and then follow that up with my Avene SPF. It has SPF 50, and during summers you cannot miss out on the step, guys. It's very important, so I make sure to incorporate in all my makeup and even if I go out. I'm then using the Makeup Forever lip gloss just to kind of hydrate my lips while I do my makeup. Post that, I will be using my Dior eye primer. It is very useful and helpful to kind of remove the discoloration over the eyes, and because I'm using the primer now instead of a concealer, I've noticed that my eyeshadow sticks even better compared to what it used to when I used to use a concealer before. I'll then be going in with my Urban Decay Naked palette. As you must have seen, Alia Bhatt has a very simple but yet a very classy look. She just has a normal brown smoky eye. So I'm going to be using this color called Buck from the palette, applied just over my lid, and then move on to the color called Naked to blend the buck out really well all over my eyelid. And that's about it. That's all that I'm going to do for my eyes today. For today, I'll be using the Makeup Forever HD primer. This primer is amazing. Once I use it on my skin, I just feel like any foundation, any product that I put over just glides on. I'll be following that up with my Makeup Forever Water Blend foundation. Even that is so lightweight and so amazing on the skin. It kind of gives you like a glow. I don't know how to explain it, more like an inner glow when you apply it. And the best way to apply it is using my Real Techniques beauty blender, because I just get like that airbrushed kind of a feeling when I apply that. You guys know how much I love my MAC Studio Finish concealer. There is no way I would ever use any other concealer except for this one. The reason I'm looking up and acting like a weirdo is because it's always better when you apply a concealer to look up so that your eyes don't crease, and I diligently literally follow it. I'm then going to be using my Makeup Studio translucent powder with my beauty blender. It is yet damp, and I'm going to be taking like the pokey side of it to apply it right below my eyes over my concealer so that my concealer does not crease. I am now using my Dior Nude contour powder together with my Borgese contour brush. This contour powder is perfect for somebody with my skin tone. It just gives me the exact bronziness or the warmth that my face needs. And I have an entire tutorial how to contour your face. Go ahead and watch that. I'm contouring on the normal places that I usually do. My cheekbones, forehead, jawline, and eventually my nose. Though in this look, I don't think Alia has like a contoured look. However, because my face is round, I really need to contour normally. But if you are someone who does not need it, there's no need absolutely to do it. Now I'm just taking my fluffy brush and kind of moving the translucent powder below my eyes, because my eyes have gotten enough time to bake and my under eyes look amazing now. Post that, I'm using my Givenchy eyebrow pencil in the color brunette. This also comes with a spoolie on one side, but you need to sharpen it on the other side. However, the formula is amazing. It's so easily blendable. I could not believe it when I started using this, but this is like my second one now. Together with the Anastasia one, I think this is my second top favorite. I'm now going in with my Maybelline gel liner. If you've seen Alia's look, she has kajal on her lower waterline, and also she has tight lined her eyes. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I love this eyeliner or kajal, whatever you may call it. It is simply amazing. It does not budge for the longest time. Roamed in this look for literally 4 to 5 hours, and my kajal was absolutely intact. So yes, love it, love it. I'm again going to take a bit of that dark brown eyeshadow known as Buck from the Naked palette to smoke out my lower waterline, but you can use any other brown eyeshadow that you have used initially on your eyelid. I'm then going in with my Lancome Grandiose mascara. This is one of the best mascaras I've ever used. It is so amazing. Like, you really literally need to try it to believe it. I was shocked when I used it with the results. I didn't need lashes. That's all that I'm going to say. So yes, I was very happy with the result. Post that, I'm using my Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge blush. So basically it's a two-in-one thing. You can use it on your lips as well as use it as a blush. Now if you see Alia's look, her blush looks very natural, you know, as if she has no blush on at all. And this kind of helped me achieve that look. It's also very amazing on your skin and feels very lightweight. I'm then using a wet wipe to kind of remove the Makeup Forever gloss that I had before. And then I'm just posing because I liked how I looked without the lipstick on. However, I will go in with my Colourpop matte liquid lipstick in the shade Sunday, and then apply my MAC lipstick Relentlessly Red over this lipstick, just so that I can achieve the pink lip color that I was kind of looking for.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup, and before I come to an end with this video, I just want to kind of dress up like her. So I'm gonna add some earrings. I have these really pretty jhumkas in my hand. And she's worn a blue color suit. The closest that I have to that is this. Okay guys, so this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you liked the makeup look, and let me know if you guys try it. I tried kind of getting my Indian game on by wearing a blue colored dupatta and some jhumkas like her. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to do any other celebrity impression or celebrity makeup look, and I would love to do that for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. I'll see you guys soon.